Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to OPPO A15. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on OPPO. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. You need to go with send on Samsung and receive on OPPO. Then tap on all of those dots and choose send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only select this one photo, choose send and click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on OPPO, then choose allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select Browse in the middle if it's not already on, and click on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!